If you're thinking about getting Free Souls vegan protein bars, then you need to listen to this honest review. I've been using it now for a few months and I'm not subscribed to it. You can see how it looks like inside here. You have like this raspberry filling and then chocolate covered. I remember this protein chocolate layer here with crunchy bits of soy protein. And I've been looking for so long for a protein bar that is plant-based, and I always wanted it to be low sugar because I don't have very good blood sugar control. And what I love about this one is that it's not using artificial sweeteners, but stevia and xylitol, which are both natural and it doesn't spike the blood sugar. So this is perfect for if you are plant-based, trying to get more protein in your diet, which can be, you know, a little bit of a hassle when you are vegan or vegetarian. And you are also healthy, so you want clean ingredients, no nasty E numbers, just clean ingredients. And I also found that it doesn't make me bloated. It makes me feel very good and energized. I first got their variety pack. They have a variety pack where you can test the different flavors. And to me, this flavor, the raspberry, dark chocolate and raspberry, was definitely my favorite. One thing to note is that it's chewy. As you can see, it's pretty hard, but I have never seen a protein bar that isn't. And it's still really tasty. It has a little bit of a sweetener aftertaste. It obviously won't be as delicious as something with real sugar in, but if you're getting these protein bars, you're probably doing it to stay healthy rather than to indulge. So I would say all in all, like, it's very tasty. Of all the protein bars I've tasted in my life, this is probably the tastiest one. So if you struggle with blood sugar control, it's nice to, you know, put some in your car, put some in your kitchen, some in your office, in your bag. So you always have a healthy snack to go that is high protein, low carbs, low sugar. So yeah, I totally recommend this if you're looking for a protein bar that is plant-based with clean ingredients and low sugar.